Chapter 9. Outfit Formulas, Work, Weekend, Date, and Night Out. Why this matters in 2026. Most men do not need more random outfits. They need reliable formulas. A formula is a repeatable structure, base layer, anchor piece, situation signal, and finishing piece. Once that structure works, you can change color, texture, and accessories without rebuilding from zero. In 2026, strong outfit formulas use relaxed proportions, controlled colors, and clean finishing. The default pant is straight or wider, not skinny. Tailoring is soft-shouldered, not rigid. Sneakers are clean, not oversized for attention. Loafers work with trousers, denim, and casual jackets. Oxford button-downs carry more situations than spread-collar dress shirts. Work, weekend, date, and night out each need a different signal. The formula keeps you from overdressing one situation and underbuilding another. The principle. Use a four-part equation: base layer plus anchor piece plus situation signal plus finishing piece. The base layer is the t-shirt, Oxford button-down, knit polo, merino crewneck, or cardigan. The anchor piece is the pant, relaxed straight denim, wider straight trousers, pleated trousers, tailored cargos, or clean technical joggers. The situation signal tells the outfit where it belongs: a soft-shouldered blazer for work, a field jacket for weekend, a textured knit for a date, a black leather jacket for night. The finishing piece makes it deliberate: penny loafers, minimalist white leather sneakers, suede runners, boots, a clean belt, a watch, a compact crossbody, or a structured tote. Top 7 outfits. 1. Hybrid office blazer formula. Piece list: navy soft-shouldered blazer, ivory Oxford button-down, charcoal wider straight trousers with a slight break, black penny loafers, black leather belt, navy socks, simple steel watch, structured black tote. Why it works: this is the modern work baseline: composed, current, and not stiff. Swap option: replace the blazer with a charcoal chore blazer for a more creative office. 2. Client-ready knit and topcoat formula. Piece list: navy single-breasted topcoat, charcoal fine-gauge merino crewneck, ivory Oxford button-down, taupe pleated trousers with a slight break, dark brown loafers, tobacco leather belt, charcoal socks, slim briefcase. Why it works: the topcoat adds polish without requiring a full suit, while the pleated trousers create clean drape. Swap option: replace the crewneck with a navy knit polo in warmer weather. 3. Friday office to dinner formula. Piece list: olive field jacket, ivory Oxford button-down, dark wash relaxed straight jeans, black horsebit loafers, black leather belt, charcoal socks, compact black crossbody, simple watch. Why it works: dark denim and loafers keep it sharp enough for casual work, the field jacket relaxes it after hours. Swap option: replace the field jacket with a navy Harrington. 4. Weekend errand to lunch formula. Piece list: stone heavyweight t-shirt, olive over shirt, mid-wash relaxed straight jeans, suede runners, oat socks, canvas tote, simple cap, casual watch. Why it works: denim, suede, cotton, and canvas create texture without making the outfit feel forced. Swap option: replace the overshirt with a field jacket when the weather shifts. 5. Outdoor considered weekend formula. Piece list: taupe technical shell, charcoal merino crewneck, olive tailored cargos with a clean taper, considered trail shoes, black technical crossbody, charcoal socks, matte watch. Why it works: practical pieces stay controlled through a tight palette and cleaner pant shape. Swap option: replace the shell with a navy field jacket for less technical settings. 6. Dinner date texture formula. Piece list: charcoal lambswool crewneck, ivory t-shirt underneath, dark wash straight denim, black leather boots, black belt, navy single-breasted topcoat, simple watch. Why it works: texture does the work. The dark denim and boots ground the outfit, the topcoat adds polish. Swap option: replace the crewneck with a deep teal knit polo. 7. Night out leather formula. Piece list: black leather jacket, black ribbed cotton t-shirt, charcoal wider straight trousers with a slight break, black loafers or black leather boots, black belt, charcoal socks, compact crossbody. Why it works: low light rewards silhouette. The leather jacket gives shape, and the trousers look sharper than black jeans alone. Swap option: replace the leather jacket with a black wool overshirt. Fit and color notes. Trousers should hit the shoe with a slight or full break. Avoid cropped hems that float above loafers or boots. Denim should be mid-rise, straight or relaxed straight, and dark to mid-wash. For work, use navy, charcoal, stone, taupe, ivory, and black. For weekend, add olive, oat, tobacco, and mid-wash denim. For dates, lean on charcoal, navy, black, taupe, dark denim, and one controlled accent like burgundy or deep teal. For nights out, black and charcoal are the easiest foundation. Try this today. Build 4 outfits from your closet, one for work, one for weekend, one for a date, and one for night out. Start with the anchor piece. Add the base layer, situation signal, and finishing piece. Include shoes, belt, socks, bag, watch, and outerwear. If the outfit feels weak, the missing piece is usually the shoe, outer layer, or pant silhouette. Fix the formula before buying more clothes. Crosslinks. For color, go to Chapter 2. For rise, break, drape, taper, shoulder line, and lapel width, go to Chapter 3. For texture, go to Chapter 4. For archetypes, go to Chapter 5. For deeper office and going out dressing, go to Chapters 23 and 22.